Hi, this is Jaja Riqua. Welcome to Free Joy Reviews, giving you tons of stuff for free. This is Mighteee honest review, and I am going to let you know what it is. It's a viral traffic. It gives you viral traffic in 3 different ways, and I am going to show you the joy of using this and how it's going to make you money, make your life simple and easy and fun. Because if it ain't simple, easy, and fun, I ain't fucking doing it. Sorry, I cursed. Click off if you don't like me cursing, because I curse all the fucking time. Right into it. Listen, I'm very lazy. I give you all the free shit that I get. I give you like 100 bonuses of people that I get it from, from products that I've bought and tested myself. And so I got this from my friend 2 Marks, and therefore you have over like 200 bonuses. I have the best bonuses, better than anyone. So grab your bonuses here. These bonuses, now you can't even get through all of them. To tell the truth, honestly, no human being can get through all of them by the end of the year. I mean, even if you did one a day, you won't be able to go through all of them. But these links will set you free and create a massive fun with ease in your life. But if you have to implement it consistently, okay? Because hey, let me tell you something. I do not put things consistently. I must set it and forget it, girl, because some of these okay, that's my weakness. I am not consistent with stuff, and I find that when I'm not consistent, I don't really benefit from it. So I don't know if you agree with that. Honestly, that's my honest opinion about bonuses. Even though I give you 250 tons of bonuses, I don't know, it's not gonna work if you're not consistent with it. You have to pick 1 or 2. I strongly advise that you pick no more than 3 of these strategies at a time. Practice them. Then, as you get better, you can move on to something else. I got these from my friend Mark Gray from this from Ministry of Freedom, an affiliate marketing group that I'm a part of, where I align myself with fellow affiliates, where we share secrets, bonuses, and love, and try to find a way to take over the world, like Pinky and the Brain. I don't know if you know that cartoon, but anyway, next. So the bonuses I'm about to give you, let me show it to you right now. Let's see if I can find. Okay, so this is from another Mark too. He gave this to me, so I'm giving this for you for free. Get paid fast with from 0 to 300 per day. Super system. Get social media automatic game changer. Create an unstoppable eruption of traffic with your traffic manifesto. Get high quality traffic for pennies on the dollar. How to get a massive money making list that pumps up the dollars out daily, and also all of these bonuses too, which is ridiculous. All like, I'm not even gonna name them. It's just so many of them. It's like 100 bonuses for every freaking thing you could possibly think of. So too many to list. About 100 bonuses as well. So there you go. And also I'm gonna get you stuff from the other Mark as well, Mark Gray. New guide to CEO, blogging for massive profits. You got tons of stuff. He tested these himself. So these are really amazing bonuses that you're getting here from me. So free stuff you're gonna get here. So in a nutshell, this is a cloud-based app that is going to be able to give you viral traffic in 3 different ways. Now it does this by creating these contests. Now there are 3 different kinds of contests. Actually 4 different contests. Actually, this is an exit pop. Like, so when you try to exit, this pop-up thing comes up, which I think is pretty smart. I love when the sales pages that give you the discounts, which is a hack. If you're in a sales page and you want to buy something, try to exit out, and they'll try to keep you in, and so they're going to give you a discount. Works like a charm. You have a sweepstakes, and then you have a photo contest where you get to choose the best photo. Yes. Sorry guys, my estranged husband that I don't have sex with just says there's nothing better than a booze and a blow job. I was like, he goes, I'll wait for the blow job. I was like, well, I hope the blow job is the name of a drink. And he goes, well, we'll find out. Anywho, let's get back to the review, says the nun, who gives an honest review all the time, because what's the point of lying? Anywho, they have a public pick contest as well. Brief rundown about the members area, or may or may not go back to that depending on how I feel. But this is the sales page, and it's just basically telling you create tidal waves of viral traffic. This is the benefits of it. Mightee is a powerful viral traffic software that sends floods of hyper-targeted traffic to any sites you please at the push of a button. All right, so they have 3 built-in viral elements trigger that will send you unlimited super targeted traffic. Triggers people innate desire to, ooh, I like the sound of that, to compete and win to get you visitors. Comprehensive software creates and manages all aspects of your viral contests. It's pretty freaking interesting. Quick click templates, make it a point, make it point and click easy to use for anyone. Oh my god, the alcohol is getting to my brain, I can't even read. I think you should go through this sales page on your own time. Actually, I'm getting drunker and drunker by the minute, says the nun. Hey, makes you honest. Let's get to how much this thing costs right now. Ooh, here we get into some juicy shit. Check this out. Alright, so here you get the 3-point click viral elements, professionally crafted contest completes, robot data reporting, analysis, lead and winner tracking, unlimited software updates and program upgrades, and unparalleled customer service for drumroll $17. You could have this usually could be like $49 per month, but you're gonna get it for $17. That is awesome. And let's check this out, because if this is bullshit, you can get it returned, money back within 30 days. Do it. $17. Listen, my honest opinion is this. You spend $17 on so many crappy things. I spent $27 on Halloween for costumes that I know I'm never gonna wear. It's a waste of money. At least this is actually, if you try this out and you're consistent, this could help you benefit your business. That's my honest review. If it's a $17 and it's promising this and you could get your money back, do it. But wait, hold up. Let me tell you something first though. To get this this software, it's you could put it down on one of your websites. However, you get a bundle deal if you want to put it on 3 of your websites. It's $27. That's when it's $27. But the downsell is $17 if you want to put it on one of your websites. Scene, I don't know what scene means. Scene is a Caribbean way of saying, do you understand? I'm from Montserrat in the Caribbean island of Montserrat, close to Antigua, St. Kitts and Nevis. But anyway, let's get back to the review. It doesn't matter if you're gonna get $17 or $27. If you just want this and the opportunity to have viral traffic in 3 different ways on one of your website or 3 of your website, it doesn't matter. You're still getting over 200 what do you call it, bonuses from me, and which includes the vendor. I'm having problems speaking. So this is going to be the conclusion of this. Okay, general bonuses from the vendor. General bonus ones: how to create a six-figure membership. Membership sites are the best way to make monthly or yearly recurring income, just like making salaries. Okay, so and then you have bonus number 2: 100 products with a resale rights. 100 products. I mean, maybe this is gonna be like over 300 300 bonuses. I mean, you're gonna get like over 100 products with resale rights. That's crazy. And then, okay, general product bonuses: 3 agency business WordPress theme. It's a consulting, finance, business agency WordPress theme made for the vast variety of design and website projects. It's just gonna make your shit better, as in your websites better. And okay, so you have what bonus number 4: Amazon Auto Research plugin. It also comes with geotargeting. This feature automatically detects your client's location, country, and loads Amazon's products from the closest Amazon websites, and works with Amazon major affiliate programs, United Kingdom. So basically, you have Amazon United Kingdom, United States, Canada, Germany. It's just going to link it automatically depending on where your country is from, which is very, very convenient. Bonus number 5: automatic legal pay. And you could always pause and read this shit yourself if I'm going too fast. Worried about legal compliance with your website? I'm wanted in 10 million states. Just kidding. I'm a nun. I give honest reviews. How could I be wanted? Anyway, general bonus number 6: auto react profit plugin. Turn your Facebook post into your automatic list building machine. Okay, we all need list building machines, honestly. Like, they said the money is in the list. Let's see what else do they have. Bonus 7: case study. Is it gonna go on? 8, 9, 10. 1 million view in 10 minutes of work. Fuck, that doesn't sound real. I will share a unique VE to work. I don't know if this is one of those acronyms like WTF, and you know what that means. Or BTW, like, by the way. I don't know what VE means, but if this is saying 1 million view in 10 minutes of work, that's crazy. That's amazing. Bonus 12: case study, how to generate 3 to K. Yes, I'm coming. Hold on. I guess they want to give me more drinks. Hold on. I think my husband is trying to get some pussy tonight because he was like boozing a blowjob. We haven't had sex in like 3 months. 3 years. And he tried to sleep with my girlfriend who wasn't interested in him. Anyway, and I was fine with it. We have an open relationship. And I think he's trying to get me drunk, but it's not gonna work. It's like a roommate thing. I could hold down my booze. Anyway, let's get to the point. All right. Anyway, bonus 15: list building experts. Internet marketing fast start. Bonus 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Come on, guys, just buy the damn thing. Okay, the link is below. You can go to subscribe to my channel. Click the bell notification thingy, that thing over here, right here, and get Mighteee. Get some free traffic, get some viral traffic on your shit, on your website. And have a great day. Take care of yourself. Don't forget to wear your mask. You know, just like sanitize and everything. Be safe. Stay in your house, make money. Listen to me, because I'm going to give you free, cheap ways for you to make money. And signing out, this is Jaja from Free Joy Reviews, giving you an honest review on Mighteee.